Prepare a small knife or scissors. Cut the rope that secures the outer packaging. Cut the transparent tape. Take out the accessory kit. Display of contents in the accessory kit. What's in the accessory kit? 1. Toolkit. 2. Hex key tool. 3. Fender mounting bolts. 4. Multifunction assembly tool. 5. Rear shock. 6. Instruction manual. 7. Quick release. 8. Charger. 9. Pedals. 10. Reflector. Remove the fixed protective straps from the bike frame. Cut off the fixed zip ties. Take off the fender and wheel. Remove the handlebar protective film and saddle cover. Peel the protective film from the handlebar. Install the handlebar. Use a hex key to loosen the stem fixing bolts. Note: please first rotate the handlebar 180 degrees. This is very important. Adjust the stem slightly to make it straight, then tighten the screws. Unscrew the fixing screws on the handlebar. Remove the fixed cover of the horizontal handlebar. Install the horizontal handlebar. Attach the handlebar and secure it with the 4 screws. Set the handlebar to the desired angle before fully tightening it. After adjustment, tighten the handlebar screws. Install the headlight. Rotate the headlight bracket to the horizontal position. Remove the fixing screws from the headlight. Install the parts that mount to the light bracket in the order shown in the video. Attach the headlight to the bracket. Tighten the screws with the tool. Plug in the headlight power connector. Install the front wheel. Remove the screws from the front fork fixing rod. Before fitting the front wheel, take off the axle bolts in the order demonstrated in the video and set them aside. Insert the axle into the wheel. Then reinstall washers and bolts in the video's order. Lift the front fork of the bike and install the wheel. Insert the brake pads into the gap of the caliper. Install washers into fork grooves and tighten bolts per the video. Install the other side in the same way. Tighten and lock the axle bolt. Install the fenders. Use a hex key to remove the fork's fender mounting bolts. Position the fender for installation. Tighten the screws. Remove the fender bracket fixing bolts. Connect the bracket to the front fork and secure it with bolts. Install the other side in the same way. Install the rear shock. Use 2 hex keys to remove the frame shock linkage rod. Lift and unfold the frame, then lower the kickstand. Install the rear shock as shown in the video and tighten the bolt securely. Install the pedals. Pay attention to distinguishing between left and right pedals. Install according to the markings on the pedals. Tighten the right pedal by turning it counterclockwise. Install the other side in the same way. Power on and you're ready to ride. One reminder. 1. Check the brake system. While squeezing the brakes, push the bicycle forward. If the bike stops promptly, the brakes are working properly. 2. Test the shifting system. Lower the kickstand to lift the rear wheel off the ground. Press the shift levers while rotating the pedals clockwise. Make sure each gear shifts smoothly from the smallest to the largest. If the shifting is smooth, the system is in good condition. 3. Test the electronic control system. Ensure the battery is installed correctly. Press and hold the power button to see if the display turns on. With the rear wheel still off the ground, Rotate the pedals clockwise to see if the motor engages for assistance. If you hear the motor running, the electronic control system is working correctly. After completing all these checks, you're ready to start your enjoyable ride. Ride safe